Introducing multiple branches and Flodesk workflows. Now you can take your workflows to the next level by tailoring the journey exactly how you want it. To get started, I'm going to click on the Workflows tab at the top, and I'm going to go ahead and open a workflow that I've already started. So here in this workflow, it'll begin when somebody is added to the segment ready for Welcome Series. Immediately after they're added to that segment, they'll get a nice little hello from me, and then there's a time delay for 2 days. After this 2-day time delay, I want to utilize multiple branches to tailor the journey for my subscriber. To add the multiple branches, I'm going to hover over the line in the center, click the plus sign, and then select multiple branch. Here on the right-hand side, I will be able to choose how I want to branch my subscribers. I can branch them by data field values, segments, or percentages. Here in data field values, I'll be able to access values in my subscriber data, such as first name and last name, and also any custom fields that I may already have in my subscriber settings. To create a custom field that I can use on my Flodesk forms, simply type the custom field right here in the box, and then click Create to add it. Once I selected the data field, I can go ahead and describe how I want these branches to be distributed. Since I've selected state, my first branch might be Texas. To add another branch, click Add Branch, and here I'll add my next state. I can also use these new canvas views here in the right to zoom out of my workflow as it becomes more complex. So with these multiple branches, using a data field, it's going to check to see what state each subscriber is assigned to. If they are in Texas, they will fall down the Texas track. Arizona, fall down this path. New York, fall down this path. And everyone else, including those that don't have this data, will fall down the everyone else path. We can do the same with segments. I'm going to change this to segments. And here I can choose the different branches. So here in this example, I went ahead and separated my branches by different segments my audience is in. If they attended an in-person event, they will fall down this path. Online event, fall down the center path, and everyone else will proceed down this path. If a subscriber happens to be in multiple segments, the leftmost path will take precedence. Now for this particular workflow, I want to go ahead and see what type of freebie my audience likes the most. So I'm going to go ahead and use the percentages branch. This evenly distributes my subscribers that go down this workflow. This allows me to see which of my offers performs the best, and then later on, I can choose to use that email for all subscribers in this workflow. I've already created emails for those different offers, so I'm going to go ahead and add them to each of the branches. You can see here that after we use multiple branches that they automatically rejoin here at the bottom. If you do not want one of these branches to rejoin to the others, simply add an exit at the bottom of the path. To do that, click the plus sign and add the exit step. This will separate that branch from the others and end the workflow at that point. If I want to rejoin this branch to the other two, simply get rid of the exit and it will rejoin to the other paths. With this feature, this also applies to the yes/no branch. You can choose your yes/no conditions, and at the end of the yes and no path, they will join back together. This means no duplicate emails, no extra workflow steps, and a much cleaner and optimized workflow for your subscribers. When I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and click Publish, and Publish now, and my workflow is ready to go.